So I decided to take a cooking class. Because my idea of gourmet is microwaving leftovers. My instructor, a chef who looked like he could wrestle a bear, said today we're making soufflés. I thought soufflés were fancy pancakes, but turns out they're more like culinary clouds. He said the key is to whip the egg whites until they're stiff peaks, so I whipped them like they owed me money. Suddenly, my soufflé was more like a pancake in disguise. The chef looked horrified, and I gasped, "Is this a soufflé or a culinary crime?" In the end, I served my soufflé with a side of confidence. The chef said, "At least it's edible." I replied, "So is my cat's food, but I don't serve that at dinner parties."